What's up everybody, today we're going to check out a coin here that's basically exploding. It's called Moonriver, and right now, like I said, it did go up by 64%. So let's check out what's going to happen to Moonriver in the future and do some price predictions and price analysis. So keep your eye on CoinMarketCap. As you can see right now, this coin, like I said, did increase by 64%. The volume here did basically increase by 73%. So right now, $150 million in volume in the last 24 hours, which is just insane and huge to see. Market cap still at $700 million. So maybe there's a chance that this coin should be able to increase like 1 billion, 2 billion, 3 billion, even 5 billion. But we have to check out what's going to happen here, what this coin is all about, and do some price analysis. So first thing first, we have 19, almost, let's say it's 20,000 watches for this coin, which is pretty interesting. But if you go here to the markets, basically this coin has been listed on Kraken and KuCoin, Get.io, and some different exchanges here. So imagine if this coin gets listed on basically Coinbase or Binance. There is a chance this coin should be able to explode a lot more before then. So it is pretty interesting. This is pretty interesting to see what's been happening here. So let's go to the chart. Let's check out what's been happening here to Moonriver. Now the other really bad thing is that we don't really have too much data. As you can see, the last actually it started from the 27th of August. So as you can see, not too much time. So we don't have too much time here. So let's just measure. So from here, from the start to this level here, basically this has happened like 4 days after. That's in the 31st of August. It did increase already by 100. If you look at this peak here, 130%, which was pretty insane. Now, if you are following this coin, what should have happened is that you should have bought this coin once we had a bullish cross. So probably here, but then you sold here. Then the last time you bought was right over here at this level. So on the 6th of September, a couple of days ago, like 5 days ago, if you bought the coin right over here at this level, until now, I think it's just going to be a huge increase. But if you go from here all the way to here, it's basically 240% increase in just 5 days. So this is amazing. Like seeing this kind of increase is just amazing, basically. So like I said, if you bought here, boom, all the way to here, basically 240% increase, which is amazing. So yes, this is why you need to listen to these two indicators. So if you have a chart here, just add this EMA, so the 55 and the 20. Every single time these two cross, just indicates if it's time to buy or it's time to sell. Like this is a buy indicator. If the 20 goes over the 55, it's a buy, and if the 20 goes underneath, like this one, the 55, basically it should mean it's time to sell. Now if you bought in this area, it just shows you that yeah, you're still pretty much holding. You're still gonna hold here. Now really good thing that's happening with this graph is that if you look at the 20 right now, this blue line, it is super touching your graph here. It's constantly super close to graph, and it's just retouching for safety every single time. It's not like this coin just had a huge pump and then this blue line came kind of close to it and that's it. That would be a bad sign because it needs some time for it to correct itself. But for now, because it is pretty much there, it is pretty close here, it should mean that we still have enough room to continue to go up even more. Now if you do look at the RSI, if you look at the previous high, yes, we do have a little bit more room here to continue to go up, at least about 20% if everything is okay. Now I believe that this coin should be able to continue to go up. Like actually, if you look at the volume here, you have to follow the pattern of the volume. So if you look at the volume here, we kind of are losing volume. But like I said, if somehow one of the bigger exchanges does list this coin, there's a chance it should be able to continue to go up. Like if Kraken already listed the coin, I don't see why Binance or Coinbase wouldn't list the coin if they can, and if there's people who are interested into the coin. Like I said, if we go back, $150 million in volume is going right now through the coin, so 80% increase, like even more. Like I think we had like 60 when we started the video, so the coin is increasing still as we're talking here. So what's gonna happen? What's my next price target? So I believe if we take the Fibonacci here, if we pull it from this high to this low here, we can see basically the next target, the next price target for this coin should be right over here, $623 per Moonriver. Let's say like that. So basically the worth of one Moonriver should be able to reach 623. There you go. So the highest is targeting here is basically, yeah, 1200. So 1200 Moonriver. Can we reach that level? We're gonna see what's gonna happen here, but still a long way to go. Still a long way to go for this. So hopefully we do. Hope we're gonna have enough buying power to reach these levels. Of course, if you want to go to there, that's gonna mean basically from here. We're gonna check out this level here. So from here, from the top to here, it's about 30%, which I believe that we should be able to do pretty soon. Yeah, pretty soon here actually. But if we continue to go up, we're gonna need a 150% more increase. For that to happen, that means basically the market cap has to more than double. So that should mean the market cap should be around almost 2 billion, like almost 2 billion. That is a lot. I think it's gonna be, yeah, it's about 1.7, 1.8. So reaching those numbers, is it possible? I think yes, it is. Like the market cap is still not too huge. Like it's not too, okay, it is huge, but it's not like impossible to continue to grow. But can this coin do a 10x? Not really. That means that this coin needs to go to 7 billion market cap, which is not gonna happen. But still, the thing with this coin is that you can invest like 10k and it's not gonna be a problem. It's nothing bad. Yeah, your coin just won't go down by 50% in the next like one day. Well, it could if we crash, something like that, but it's not something that's normally going to happen here because this is more than a stable coin here. But for now, I'm seeing this coin should be able to continue to go up even more. We're just gonna need the volume here to increase a little bit more, but we're gonna see right now. Even right now, it is kind of trying to go up right now. If we go to the 15-minute, it's trying to break this level. Now this is the bullish scenario. This is all I'm talking about, was the bullish scenario. If we break to the downside, then there's a couple of possibilities. I think there's a chance that this coin will reach all the way to here. We're gonna hit this level at basically 349, so 350 for stabilization. So if we do break down, we're gonna hit that level at 350. If we just break down to the downside, I don't think we're gonna go down more than that. If we do go more than that, then it's pretty much it's gonna end this coin. We cannot go underneath this area 260. If we go underneath 260, that's it. That's basically it. That's the last support level we have for this coin. That means that the coin will continue to go down. But the best scenario is, of course, if we do break this chart here, if we do break this level at 486. Once we do, or if we do actually, there is a good chance that the coin will, like I said, reach this level, 623. And then we're going to need some correction. So correction is needed for this coin if we want to continue to go up. Look at the RSI at the 50-minute. The RSI at the 50-minute, we just have enough. Like it's here. We have enough power to continue to go up. We have enough room actually to continue to go up and break this value, break this level. And once we do, then investors are going to see, okay, we broke this level, let's continue to buy. That means we're getting to the next level, trying to reach this high here. So hopefully something like that will happen here to the coin and will continue to go up. But like I said, if not, we're going to have a correction, a nice correction here for 300 to 250 basically. That's going to mean the coin is going to go down from here to here. That's going to be about 26% correction, which is not that bad. It's okay because I've been seeing coins going down by 40% or something like that. So do be aware of that there, if we get rejected here, it's going to be a 30% correction, pretty easy here. So yeah, but let's go to their website. Let's check out what this coin is all about. It says here, a Moonriver Solidity smart contracts on Kusama. So Moonriver, a community-led sister parachain on Kusama. Moonriver is a companion network to Moonbeam and provides a permanently incentivized canary network. New code ships to Moonriver first, where it can be tested and verified under real economic conditions. Once proven, the same code ships to Moonbeam on Polkadot. So launching soon, track launch status here. Okay, so early and experimental, so access and use the latest builds of Moonbeam in a live incentivized canary net environment that's connected to the Kusama mainnet. Community-led, community members will own a majority of the Movr tokens on the network, giving them considerable control over the direction of the network. An independent network. So while Moonbeam code launches to Moonriver first, the network will continue to live on as a parachain on Kusama with its own projects and specialized use cases. So this year, early launch, early access. Moonriver receives code deployments earlier and launches to Kusama first. The Moonriver network deploys a parachain to Kusama in June 2021, and Moonbeam will deploy to Polkadot later this year. That means developers have earlier access to Moonriver to start building, experimenting, and launching, and other participants can access the apps and assets on that chain. So an easy on road to Kusama. Quickly deploy your new or existing Solidity apps, the apps actually, to Moonriver parachain with little or no modifications and gain easy access to the Kusama network. This is how it does work. So boom, 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 connection to the Kusama network. Super cool. Complete Ethereum compatibility. So like Moonbeam, Moonriver is a fully Ethereum-like environment and works with industry standard Ethereum tools, so dApps and protocols. By mirroring Ethereum Web3 RPC accounts, keys, subscriptions, logs, and more, Moonriver minimizes the changes required to run existing Solidity smart contracts on the network. So Ethereum projects can simply replicate their dApps and deploy it to Moonbeam using Hardhat, Truffle, Remix, and other popular deployment tools. So you can check out if you do want. So this part here, the Movr token, the utility token of the Moonriver network. As a decentralized smart contract platform, Moonriver requires a Movr token to function. Some of the uses of Movr token on Moonriver include supporting the gas metering of smart contract execution, incentivizing collectors and powering the mechanisms around the creation of a decentralized node infrastructure on which the platform can run, facilitating the on-chain governance mechanism, including proposing referenda, electing council members, voting, etc., paying for transaction fees on the network. So there you go. Basically, this is what the token does actually do. So let's go on their Twitter. Let's see what this coin did actually explode here. So we go here on the Twitter. We have some latest posts. Look at this. 5,000 plus transactions in the pool. So Moonriver reached 5,000 plus transactions in the pool. It's been crazy to see such activity on Moonriver and challenge to increase our TX block limit to let them in. Okay. So more and more people are starting to use like Moonriver here. It says the first week of our bridge to Moonriver and already at 40 million TVL. Nice to see liquidity on Moonriver and we growing fast. Yes, it is. So good things are happening here. So this here, fantastic news. Moonbeam and Lindo Finance collaborate to bring liquidity staking to Polkadot Kusama network. This integration will allow users to take and get liquidity for DOT on Polkadot and Kusama on Moonriver and V. Okay, so we're going to see what's been happening here. It is pretty interesting that it does actually work and that people are pretty happy to see what's been happening. There is volume going through the network here. Visit our documentation site and learn more about staking on Moonbeam. This is more about Moonbeam. Okay, yeah, both of them are like super connected, so there you go. It is pretty interesting to see, but let's go actually back. What's the top post here saying? Almost time to take flight. Finally, the news to the Moonbeam community have been waiting for is here. Today, the Moonbeam Foundation announced more details about Moonbeam Take Flight, a community token event. So you check out the event if you do want. So they have 81,000 followers here, almost 82,000 followers here on Twitter, which is an awesome number. It is an awesome number here to see that people are super interested in this coin. You see the engagement here. Every single post has like at least from 200 to like 1,000 likes here, which is pretty interesting. So there is some engagement here. People are liking the post, so there are people behind this coin. In the end, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do want to buy these coins, please do your own research first. If you did enjoy this video, it means so much to me. If you can like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.